is a super nice day outside today. It's supposed to be 65 degrees, believe it or not. That's way above normal for this time of year. But I'll take it. It's today. Zoe has a field trip and I'm chaperoning. We're gonna go to a place that makes maple syrup in Chicago. So they're gonna tap a maple tree and we're gonna go walking or hiking through the woods, I think. I didn't know there was woods to hike through in Chicago.
By the words that you say.
Something's going on with this camera.
Is it not working right?
No, it's working fine, but like there's like kind of the one button mode where it's like you just hit the button and it turns itself on and it starts recording right away. It's been shutting off after like a minute and a half.
It's weird. So yeah, like change the setting.
I don't know what setting would do that, you know, but I will check the settings again. The thing that's annoying about these is that like getting to the settings is so cumbersome. So like the recommended way to do it is to connect with your phone app.
Yeah.
But that's not exactly like pleasant either.
Right.
So. Good job, Zoe. I think so. The deer is looking for food. Yeah, but you should take all your Pyrus money and go to Inkling.
Yeah, I like Inkling.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I like Inkling too, although pretty much everything there is like very. There's nothing that's just like regularly sweet.
No.
It's sweet and crass.
Uh-huh.